Hi, I'm Steve Scherman. Today I'm going to show you how you can touch off multiple tools on your Inspire Plus control. So currently we have tool 1 in the spindle. It's already been touched off. We're going to touch off tool 2 and tool 3. And to do this, you can hit F4 Run Program, F11 Tool Set, and then press Cycle Start to start the program. So now it asks you what's the height of your setting gauge, and we're using our 50 millimeter. So 1.9688. And then which tool do you want to set? We're going to set tool number 2. As soon as I type in 2 and hit enter, Z goes up and it'll do a tool change and get tool number 2 in the spindle. So there's tool number 2. As soon as it completes the tool change, it'll put the control right back into hand wheel mode. So you can just hand wheel down. All right, I'm about a 1/4 inch above my setter, so I'm going to turn my feed rate down, and I'm going to slowly come down the rest of the way until my setter reads 0. Right now, my setter is at 0, so it says you can touch your tool tip, and then you can press escape to abort or enter to continue. And I want to press enter. Press cycle start, and now you can see my current position for Z changed to 1.9688, which is my setting height. And now it asks for my tool diameter. That's a 1/4 inch end mill, so 0.25. And now which tool do I want to set next? So tool 3, enter. And again, it goes up to do a tool change. Once tool 3 is in the spindle, it'll put you back in the hand wheel mode, and you can crank down and touch off tool number 3. So the tool change is complete. Tool 3 is in the spindle, I'm back in hand wheel mode. So again, I can crank this down, touch it on top of the tool setter. So my setter reads 0. I'm going to press enter to continue and press cycle start. As soon as I press cycle start, again, my Z position changed, and now it's asking to enter my tool diameter. And this one is 0.18. So I'll press enter. And now I can continue on touching off tools. If you're finished, you can just press escape to abort. So I'll press escape. And now the doors are shut, so I can press F2 jog. And I'll go to Z positive, so I can raise my tool up off the tool setter and get my tool setter out of there. But all your tools are touched off, and that's an easy way to do multiple tools.